Understanding Guitar Setup. A Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of music and explore what guitar setup actually means. If you're a budding guitarist or simply interested in how guitars work, this video is for you. So, let's get started and demystify this important aspect of guitar maintenance. A guitar setup refers to a series of adjustments made to a guitar to ensure it plays well. These adjustments can include tuning the guitar, setting string height, action, adjusting the curvature of the neck, truss rod adjustment, and setting the intonation. It's like a personalized customization of your guitar to fit your playing style. Setting up your guitar is crucial for several reasons. First, it makes the guitar easier to play. Second, it can improve the sound quality significantly. Lastly, a well-set-up guitar can help prevent physical strain on your hands and fingers, making your practice sessions more enjoyable and productive. You might need a guitar setup when you first purchase your instrument, as it may not be tailored to your preferences out of the box. Additionally, if you notice issues like buzzing strings, difficulty in tuning, or discomfort while playing, it's probably time for a setup. Also, changes in humidity and temperature can affect your guitar's neck and may necessitate a setup. While some guitarists learn to set up their instruments themselves, beginners are advised to have their first setup done by a professional. A professional luthier or guitar technician will have the right tools and expertise to make precise adjustments. However, for those interested, there are many resources to learn how to perform a setup yourself. It can be a rewarding skill to acquire. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of a guitar setup and what it entails. Remember, a well-set-up guitar can make a world of difference in your playing journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take your guitar to a professional for that perfect setup. Happy strumming, and see you in the next video.